Good morning. Today we're going to go through this diagram showing the different layers throughout time. You can see the igneous intrusion here along with several layers of rocks. Little baby trees up here. Couldn't find any crayons, so this is what we got, different colored pens. You can go ahead and pause the video, give it a little bit, and we can go through the different layers in the order they came to us. Okay, so for the top to bottom, we have a top layer of rocks here. We have a second layer of rocks coming through here, layered in there. We have a good chunk of erosion coming off that next set of rocks, third layer rocks, the brick type there. So through here, we have the igneous intrusion that came up, probably a volcano at some point in there. We got more rocks, plenty of rocks going around. Some erosion in here after that. And then at the very bottom here, we got some folded sedimentary rocks. The waves through there. Pretty much what we got here. I believe this is all correct. It took me a while to fully understand all of this. Had to watch the videos 2 or 3 times to grab it all, but I think I got it, so hopefully everyone else is getting it as well. Thank you.